Start my day with a ginger shot. Ginger and lemon and cayenne. What I'm making this morning is a little breakfast that I had a lot in Mexico. Very simple with shallot, tomato, and cilantro. So what I'm doing now, I'm just moving all of the coals over to this side. And I'm gonna get my heat going for my pan. There we go. I got my refried beans here. Perfect for this dish. Finish this dish off with a little bit of a spicy chili oil and some rain. Early morning showers, I guess. Today was supposed to be a sunny day, but you never know here on the coast, clearly. It is pouring. This is still gonna be delicious. Oh man, this is so good. I'm gonna finish this dish and head out fishing. See what I can catch. I absolutely love rockfish, greenling, really underrated fish here on the West Coast, so let's go see if we can catch a rockfish. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh wow, crazy looking fish. Look at the stripes on that thing. Well, there we go. There's my first ever tiger rockfish. This thing is so crazy. The colors on it, the stripes. Pretty stoked. Time to go make some food. Start making my ramen noodles here. Back at the campfire for another meal. I've been eating pretty much all my meals here at the campfire on the Sunshine Coast with a lot of fish that I caught too. It's been good so far. Good start to the season. I like the thicker ramen noodles. There we go, we get this going here. Roll this up. Wow, this looks awesome. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this thing off first. And I'm going to get all my coals and wood right in here. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of sesame oil on this, rubbing that in. I'm going to go in with some of this togarashi, Ethical Table Food Co. Get a nice little layer of that on there. There we go. That's looking good. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other side. So the same thing, a little bit of sesame oil, and then let's see, togarashi again. There we go. Okay, I get some of this kelp from here on the west coast. So let's throw some of that in there. There we go. I'm going to go in with the fish head there. The rest of the carcass. With water just till it gets over the top of this head. And I'll let that. Almost forgot my cilantro. Get that in there. Since this has been boiling for a while, oh man, that smells good. I'm gonna get in my mushrooms. So I have some local mushrooms from Legacy Mushrooms. I have some golden enokis and some blue oysters. And this is gonna give the broth a really good flavor. Oh man. These golden enokis. Just gonna put a few in there. I'm gonna put some on as a garnish. I'm gonna have some of these chestnuts as well. Oh man, this is gonna be good. This is looking good. Going in with some more of these golden enokis. A little bit of green onion. And I got this delicious, spicy miso chili oil. There we go. Oh man, this is gonna be delicious. That was my first tiger rockfish that I ever caught and ate, actually. This is delicious. And the spicy miso chili oil, the golden enokis. That ramen noodle really turned out. You can really taste the wood fire in that fish. Wow, that's insane. That's a delicious meal right there. Caught the fish several hours ago, directly on the fire. Never made a ramen next to the fire before, so this is a first.
Engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little